Okay, so how many of y'all have heard of eToro before? I know I have. They've been around for quite a while, and what they are is a trading and investing platform that offers access to a bunch of different financial assets like stocks, commodities, crypto, and more. But in this video, I'm going to cover eToroX. You can think of this as the next evolution of eToro, where they offer their own crypto technology and services to the public. And this comes in the form of a wallet, exchange, and also tokenization features. So if you're curious to learn more about eToroX and what it does, then all you have to do is just keep on watching. Hi everyone, I'm Kevin from Bitcoin for Beginners, here to bring you the sponsored introduction to the eToroX platform. In this video, I'm going to cover what all they're about, why they came to be, and walk you through the wallet, exchange, and some other features. So while you're watching this video, if you find this intro helpful whatsoever, then you could do us a huge favor by smashing the like button, and let's dive right in. Okay, so very first high-level overview about eToro and how we got here to eToroX. eToro was founded in 2007, over 10 years ago, and now has over 10 million registered users. It's a multi-asset trading and investment platform, and it offers access to stocks, ETFs, currency pairs, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and more. And just a side note, some of these are offered as real assets and others as contract for differences. And they're really well known for their social and copy trading feature, where you can copy the trades of experienced traders on their platform, and if their trades do well, then your portfolio does well too. And so that's a really fun feature, and the traders get incentivized to participate too. And finally, eToro is a fully regulated company with licenses in a bunch of different countries all over the world, like Cyprus, UK, USA, Australia, South Africa, and most recently Gibraltar. And so now the evolution to eToroX. Their vision is to bring blockchain and token technology to everyone. And this comes in the form of a regulated exchange and wallet. eToroX is notable because they're a regulated DLT provider by Gibraltar Financial Services Commission. And they offer a wide collection of cryptocurrencies and stablecoins. I'll touch on this a little bit more later. And finally, they offer the general infrastructure to support tokenized assets as well to a variety of different customers. Okay, so like I said earlier, they are regulated in Gibraltar, and I want to touch on why this is so notable. Gibraltar's Financial Services Commission, or the GFSC, established regulations for distributed ledger technology as of January 2018. Basically, their goal is to ensure the growth and innovation of this industry while also protecting the business and consumers as well. And they only give DLT licenses to reputable companies that they vet, not just quantity, but rather quality. For example, companies like eToroX. They're also keeping in mind to be compatible with European laws like the Anti-Money Laundering Directive and so forth. And so this is generally good for innovation and to spur mass adoption. Remember what I said about they offered a ton of different instruments on their platform? Here is the snapshot of 71 digital asset pairs that you can access on their platform. Like, for example, they have a lot of different stable coins that track different things like the USD, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, Chinese yuan, and so forth. And also a variety of different crypto assets too, like Stellar, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and more. Okay, so now I want to walk you through their wallet, in which I took these screenshots from my mobile phone. You can see all of their really clean and intuitive features that they offer. On the left-hand side, you see your home screen dashboard. Right now, I just chose 3 of them, the big 3, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, but they offer other ones as well. And if you click into one, like let's say you clicked into Bitcoin and you had a balance, you can see your balance, the fiat amount, and you can send, receive, buy, and also convert between different pairs as well. You can convert it directly from within their wallet interface. And also see in the bottom a history of all your transactions and conversions and so forth. And the next page is, if you remember, go on the homepage dashboard, and on the upper right hand side you see a plus sign. When you click that plus sign, you can see all the different crypto assets they currently offer: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Stellar, and you can add them to your home screen view. And finally, the second tab that you can press is Trades. And this is to show you all the trades that you've done on eToro. And also you can click that button to trade crypto on eToro, all very simply accessed from within the wallet. All right, now time to take a look at their exchange and do a brief walkthrough. Okay, so when you log into the eToroX exchange, this is what you see. And your view may differ from mine because it's totally customizable. I have this really big trading view chart right here front and center, but yours could be smaller too. When you scroll down, you see things like your open orders, your time and sales of recent trades, the order book, a new order placement form, market depth, and other ones. Basically, how you can change it is you click unlock right here. And now you see these things with the gray corners and also an X. So if you don't want to see something, you can either exit out or click on their icon on the left-hand side and they'll disappear. Like for example, right now I have portfolio grayed out because I don't want to see that here. And you can also drag them to make them longer or shorter. I customize it myself, but you can pretty much see how simple it is to customize your own view for the eToroX exchange dashboard. So now I'm just going to save this. And I just want to show you how to really quickly put in a trade. Basically, you go down here to new order, and I have buy BTC selected. I want to buy 0.005 of BTC, get the best price. That translates to 58 roughly USDX, which is their stablecoin, and click buy. And so that's in the books now. And it would show up here in the open orders, but that executed. So you see that here in the buy executed. And that's as simple as that. When it's open orders, since I put a limit order, you can also cancel it from here when within the action. And then it would show up here in the canceled orders tab. Pretty self-explanatory, not too much going on, but that's what makes it so intuitive. So now I want to take a look at some other parts of the exchange, like when you go into balance. This shows you all the different instruments on here on the exchange, but you can also uncheck the show zero balance currency and go to BTC, for example. You can deposit, you can withdraw, you can take a look at the history for deposits and withdrawals. You can buy straight from within here. You can also sell straight from within here. So that's a really handy feature for what you can do from within the balance page. For the reports page, you can take a look at all of your trades, open order, cancel orders, all in this table format, and you can export it as a CSV for your personal record keeping as well. One last thing I want to note here is this refer a friend feature. If you hover over your email address up top on the nav bar, you can go down to refer a friend. And here is your referral link pretty much. You can leave this on your blog post, put it on social media like on Twitter, get your friends to sign up with this, and then you'll get some referral bonuses that we'll talk about next. Okay, so that's it for the exchange. I hope that was helpful. Now I want to dive a little bit more into the refer a friend program. Basically, for every friend you refer, you get 50% revenue share on all of their trading fees. And you get monthly payouts for this, credited to your eToroX account in the same currency that was generated by their trading fees. So it depends on what they're trading in terms of the digital asset pairs. If you have less than $25 for your monthly payout though, then it rolls into the next month until you go past that amount and it gets accumulated and paid out in bulk. Basically, you can gain revenue share for a period of 6 months for every friend that signs up through your referral link. And you can refer an unlimited number of friends. Finally, I want to touch on their tokenization infrastructure, which is the third part of their platform. Remember, they have wallet, exchange, and now this tokenization suite. Basically, they give you the ability to represent any asset on the blockchain. And their infrastructure for tokenizing any financial asset is done in a secured and controlled manner. And this is done with a token management suite. And this is for both retail and enterprise customers to use this for the following. 1, trade assets globally with quick settlement. 2, trade 24/7 with no downtime. And 3, lower the cost of transaction and reporting. So far in this video, we've only been talking about eToroX, and that is not available for US residents, but for eToro it is. And recently they launched services to the US this year, and they offer access to the most popular crypto assets on their platform, with future plans to add a lot more. So definitely stay tuned for that. So on eToro for US residents and customers, you can do the following. Buy and sell 15 popular digital currencies instantly, create a diverse and flexible crypto portfolio, and also follow trends and market data with charts and other market intelligence information. So for those of you in the US who want to access it via eToro, please visit the following link, etoro.com/en-us. I'll also leave a shortened tracking link down in the description below so you can click there if that's more convenient for you. So are you interested with the eToroX platform? Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below. Or if you have any questions, definitely visit their website at eToroX.com. Check out their FAQ. They have a lot of information on their website. Go ask them questions on Telegram. That's t.me/eToroX. Join the channels, ask any questions. I encourage you to do so. This is Kevin. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.